As far as kitchen faucets go, the WEWE A1001L is currently one of the most affordable models on the market. With reasonable quality and simple installation, the faucet scratches the right edges from many projects. Welcome to ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet Series. Welcome back, folks, to another ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet video. My name is Nguyen, and today we're taking a look at the WEWE A1001L single-handle pull-down kitchen faucet. Together, we'll delve into certain aspects of design and craftsmanship, examine distinct details of the product, and talk about the good and bad in our experience with the faucet to give you, our viewers, some ideas of what you're buying. So here we go. But before anything, let's first talk about how we evaluate each kitchen faucet. Our main objective here is to conduct unbiased reviews across our kitchen faucet collection. As such, ratings are given to three main parts: design, usability, and performance, as we standardize our routine for every faucet. In design, we focus on the general build of the body and the sprayer head of each faucet, like the quality of the function button or how the neck swivels, for example. In usability, we highlight the interactions around the setup of the faucets, how they control water, and how the sprayer maneuvers, for example, the flexibility of movement, or if available, the practicality of electronic features. Finally, each faucet's performance under low water pressure is also taken into account to finalize our verdict. More information about our process can be found in this video right here. Now this is a 360-degree rotating single-handle faucet with a detachable long-reaching sprayer head. It features two standard water modes and a pause function. The faucet measures roughly 15 inches high and by 10 inches wide, and can be installed in a one-hole or three-hole scenario. Now let's look closely at the faucet's design. The A1001L is not striking in terms of appearance, and the simple generic design won't add much to the sink area visually. But as a matter of taste, you should be a better judge. Now the two-block design of the faucet without a surface transition from foot to body requires users to clean the two parts separately. This isn't much of an issue until you get to clean an entire faucet with only one fold of the cloth. Now the faucet comes in several colors, including chrome and black, oil rub bronze, brushed nickel, brushed gold, matte gray, and matte black. Now the sprayer has a very comfortable reach at 24 inches long, and the two water functions, spraying and streaming, should be enough for basic needs. You can use the pause button to stop water temporarily when you're using the sprayer. And although the quality of the function buttons is not excellent, it is sufficient for the price. One thing to keep in mind though is that there aren't any symbols on the button indicating the three functions, which usually isn't an issue if the faucet has a default water mode. But unfortunately, the A1001L does not. Frankly speaking, there's not much to write home about the faucet's quality, except that it's an economic decision from the brand. Because it's made to save cost, the materials used for the faucet can't really compare to the more expensive ones. You can vaguely tell from the weight alone that the large part of the faucet is not metal. However, there's something to be said about a low-weight build and the advantages of plastic or reinforced nylon in plumbing. The last thing to note here is that the faucet may not comply with the ASME or the CSA codes. That's why the WEWE A1001L scores only 7.6 out of 10 for design. With pricing taken into account, the faucet is easily one of the most cost-effective models we evaluated when it comes to usability. There are a few things that we want to address, so let's talk pros and cons. The sprayer is straightforward to use and it moves with a satisfying weight. And the combination of a ball joint and flexible hose helps make maneuvers involving the sprayer intuitive and non-restrictive. Additionally, the A1001L is incredibly simple to install thanks to its few mounting components. Even those with little prior knowledge should be able to follow through with no trouble. The pieces are also cleverly designed so that visually no tools are needed for the process. You can find the instructions in the manual or check out our installation video. The unpolished wiggling movement of the body is where you can tell that the craftsmanship is not top tier, especially when compared to other more costly choices. Moreover, because of the fairly ample add-on weight on the hose, the momentum may sometimes cause the sprayer to splash water as it hits the body upon release. And that's why the WEWE A1001L receives 7.9 out of 10 for usability. The faucet should work best at standard pressure around 60 psi, not unlike many standard faucets. At low pressure around 40 psi, dripping appears more prominent, but water functions remain mostly ineffective and reasonably effective. The A1001L scores 6 out of 10 for low pressure test. The WEWE A1001L single-handle pull-down kitchen faucet is a solid choice for what it offers and how little it costs. The reasonable build quality and satisfactory functions, though not impressive, should not disappoint either. Small inconveniences around the faucet's cleanability and the sprayer's retraction may be a problem in certain situations, but in all fairness, they're not that bad. And that's why we think the WEWE A1001L deserves its 7.6 final scores and should be perfect for basic water needs and quick installations. And that is it for today's review video. If you like more information on the WEWE A1001L, try googling ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet Series. Like the video if you find it helpful and consider subscribing and donating to support the work that we're doing. Thanks for watching ShouldIT, and we'll see you in the next one.